How to recover deleted photos from Google Files Safe folder. Accidentally deleted photos from your Google Files Safe folder and panicking. Here's exactly how to recover them before they're gone forever. If this saves your precious memories, hit that like button and subscribe for more data recovery tutorials. Google Files Safe folder is a secure encrypted space on your Android device where you can store private photos and videos behind a PIN or biometric lock. The problem is that when you delete something from the safe folder, it doesn't go to your regular trash, making recovery tricky. Today, I'm showing you the most effective methods to recover those deleted photos. First, check the safe folder's built-in trash feature. Open the Google Files app on your Android device and tap on the safe folder icon. Unlock it using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. Once inside, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Look for an option called Trash, Bin, or Recently Deleted. If this option exists, tap it, and you'll see all items deleted from the safe folder within the last 30 days. Find your deleted photos, long press to select them, then tap Restore. The photos will return to your safe folder immediately. Second, check if your safe folder was backed up to Google Photos. By default, safe folder contents are not automatically backed up for security reasons, but if you manually enabled backup before deletion, you might be able to recover them. Open Google Photos and tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Photo Settings, tap Backup, and check if Safe folder was included. If it was, go back to the main screen, tap Library at the bottom, then tap Trash or Bin. Deleted photos stay here for 60 days. Select your photos and tap Restore. Third, check Google Drive's trash if you backed up there. Open the Google Drive app or visit drive.google.com on your computer. Tap the three horizontal lines menu, then tap Trash. Look for your deleted photos. Items remain here for 30 days. If you find your photos, select them and or tap to recover them. Fourth, use Android data recovery software as a last resort. Connect your Android device to your computer via USB cable. Download reputable recovery software like Dr. Phone or Disk Digger. Enable USB debugging on your phone by going to Settings, About Phone, tapping build number 7 times to enable developer options, then turning on USB debugging in developer options. Launch the recovery software, select your device, and scan for deleted files. If your safe folder photos are found, select them and click Recover. Note that success isn't guaranteed with encrypted safe folders. Here's a pro tip to prevent future losses. Enable automatic backup for important photos before moving them to safe folder. Take screenshots or make copies of critical photos and store them in regular Google Photos with backup enabled. Also, regularly check your safe folder's trash and restore anything deleted by mistake before the 30-day window expires. Another smart move is to periodically export important safe folder contents to Google Drive or an external storage device as a secondary backup. Remember, the safe folder prioritizes security over recoverability, so prevention is always better than recovery. So to recap, recovering deleted safe folder photos requires checking the built-in trash within 30 days, verifying if Google Photos or Drive backups exist, and using data recovery software as a final option. The most reliable method is the safe folder's own trash feature if available in your Google Files version. If this tutorial helped you recover your photos, please like this video and subscribe for more Android tips and data recovery guides. Have you ever accidentally deleted important files from safe folder? What happened? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to back up your important memories.